Today's the first day we introduced the raw chicken to the puppies. And you can see what they're doing. They love it. It's good for their teeth. Well, they are going crazy for it. What do y'all think? Once they get a little bit bigger, we will give them their own chicken leg so they don't have to fight for it. Because they will not eat it all, trust me. We would waste a lot. In about 2 more days, they'll each get their own chicken leg.